Okay, so I've been experimenting with YouTube Shorts. I'm going to share some thoughts and something that has come out here in the last couple of weeks. If you guys have as well, put comments down below. Let me know what you think and all that. But there's actually a difference between YouTube Shorts and actually YouTube videos. I don't think ever YouTube Shorts are going to replace the videos. I enjoy watching videos, and many people do. But I think it's also pretty decent to have as part of your content strategy. So again, let me know what you think down in the comments section below. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification. I definitely appreciate that. Okay, so here we are in my motorcycle channel. I'm just going to show you real quickly right here some of the shorts that I have done. Again, recently I started getting into it. And if you saw some of my videos, this one right here got 198 views, which is pretty decent for the channel. But if you notice, 33 views, 65 views, 58 views, 40 views. So I don't get a ton of views here on those videos, right? I do love making the motor vlogs, but again, the channel hasn't kicked up. Obviously, hasn't made it to a point where it's bringing solid views. But if you come down here, you can see some of the shorts that I have done, which is actually quite cool. And you can see me right here riding my motorcycle. And again, very, very cool to do. I think it definitely targets that audience so people can see this, and obviously they can subscribe to the channel. And that's most likely what I have seen lately, people just subscribing to the channel. Now, YouTube does provide some information here on YouTube Shorts, and it says right here that YouTube Shorts is a way for anyone to connect with an audience using a smartphone and the short camera and YouTube app, right? So you can make YouTube Short from your regular app, and obviously you can make money with this. This video is not about that, but again, you can make money with that. YouTube Short creation makes it easy to create short form videos that are up to 60-second long. And what I have done here, guys, is that I have combined this strategy with my TikTok. So again, videos that I post on TikTok, usually some kind of way they're gonna make themselves into this shorts as well. Obviously, there's a way to make money here. YouTube talks about it. I haven't made any money with that. I do have a channel that is monetized, but I have not made any money with this. So again, the fact that I'm being able to get 1,300 views here, 484 here, 100, I mean, obviously it's bringing some traffic, 240, 102, 325. So again, it's starting to bring a little bit of traffic. Now, as far as I know, some of the time watch that you get from this shorts is really not count into the monetization system. I think there are some things around that, but I'm not sure. Do your own research on that. But at a bare minimum, I do like the shorts because I think that it brings a lot of traffic and it does bring a lot of subscribers. If I come back here to the end of this channel, I'm sitting about 2,341 subscribers, and I posted a short the other day and I gained maybe a good 7 or 8 subscribers out of that short. So it is bringing a little bit of subscribers into the channel for sure. So I'm gonna go ahead here and show you some of my content strategy that I do. And again, my motorcycle channel is gonna be right here, why I hate motor vlogging, and I'm changing the time now, by the way, but I'm coming here to why I love ape hangers, right? And that's gonna be actually a short video. And then right here on this content strategy that I have, I'm gonna talk about understand this about buying a used Harley, right? So just for this channel, so as you see, what I'm using is that I'm using one of those short to make a video. So again, I don't think it's gonna replace your videos in general, but I think it's kind of nice to be able to produce 2 videos a week, and then the third video is going to be a short. It kind of gives me a break because again, I got other videos to produce. So again, I don't think that shorts by any way is going to replace your regular YouTube videos, but I think you could kind of like mix them up a little bit, try to get some traffic that way, try to get some subscriber into the channel. Once they watch the show, they subscribe and they be able to consume your regular content. Really doesn't take that much. That's kind of why it's so easy, right? You can make a short very, very quickly. And again, you could gain some of that audience that is actually going to watch your regular videos that are actually going to be monetized, and they're going to make you some money. If you notice, this video right here that I made has 1,324 views. And if I click on this video right here, show you some of the analytics, this is kind of what we got in the last 48 hours, 13 views, and again, 7.3 hours watch. Again, I'm not sure is that time is going to count towards your monetization. I don't know that. But again, it broke 5 subscribers. And again, those subscribers are definitely going to consume your content, right? And it was a very simple video to do. Really didn't take that much. I was driving in the car. I went to get a sandwich and I posted the video here in YouTube. And I also posted the video on TikTok as well. So again, consider like reusing your content for multiple platforms. That's it, guys. I just wanted to share some comments on this YouTube Shorts. I'm going to continue to test it, and later on, we're going to continue to talk about it. Let me know what you think. Put comments down below. We'll see you in the next one.